Good morning student. I am your computer teacher Shilpa Chauhan. Today we are going to do the practical on remaining topic of lesson number 4. Now our first topic is animation in PowerPoint. Now animation is an important and interesting feature of PowerPoint. We can animate slides, object, pictures, smart arts, graphics or almost everything. Okay. Now animating slide, that is slide transition. Now what is transition? Transition are the motion effects that occur when new slide appear in the slideshow presentation. Now let us see the steps to apply the transition. First of all, select the slide. Okay, click on transition. You will find that none option is selected. Okay, it indicates that no transition has been applied. Then you have to click on more buttons, okay, to check the more transition. Now click on any transition. Suppose I want this one. This will automatically preview the transition as well. As soon as your transition is selected, the effect option enable, okay. Now just click on it. 4 options are provided over there. You can select any one from them. Fine. Now to apply the same transition to all the slides, click on apply to all. Fine. Here you have to apply. Here you can give sound to your slide. Just click on any one sound and set the duration. Fine. Under timing, on mouse click and after options are provided. If you click on mouse click, here you want the slide to advance to the next slide only when you manually click on it. And if you uncheck on mouse click, it means that you have to fix some number of seconds for that. For that you have to click on after and just set the number of seconds from here. Fine. So this is what the transition. Now let us see the custom animation. Now custom animation is a set of effects which can be applied to objects. Fine. So that they will animate during the presentation. For that, click on animation. Now select the text or object. Okay. And just click on any one animation like this. If you want to add animation. Now there are 4 different categories that can be applied to the text or object. Entrance, emphasis, exit and motion path. Now what is entrance? Now this category gives options for text or object to enter the slide. Suppose I want to apply this one. Okay. Now I want to apply emphasis to this one text. Now what is emphasis? This animation occurs while the object is on the slide and it helps to highlight the text or object. Again click on emphasis and just take this one. Fine. Now next one is the exit. Now this category of animation, first of all you have to select the text, then click on exit, okay, and select the animation as per your choice. Fine. And last one is the motion path. Now for that, suppose select this one, select the text and click on motion path. Okay, in this way you can give custom animation to your object or text. Now next one is how to apply animation to the text box, to the text or object. Same, suppose I want to give animation to this text. For that, first of all, select the text, okay, and apply whatever animation you want to apply. You can preview it from here. Fine. Now here you will find that the object will have a small number next to it to indicate that it has an animation. Also in the slide pane, the slide will have a star symbol next to it. Okay, fine. When we custom animate more object, every object will have the number in a sequence to show the order of animation of the objects. Fine, this is what all about the custom animation. Now let us see how to insert audio and video. Fine. For that, first let us see how to insert audio. Okay, click on insert tab. Under media group, click on the drop down of audio option. 3 options are provided: online audio, audio on my PC and recorded audio. For online audio you need internet connection. Fine. And audio on my PC means what? You can take any audio file from your computer or laptop. Fine. So just click on it and select the audio and click on insert. Now the speaker icon appears on your slide. Fine. Now just for playing the audio, just click on play button.
Dear students, we all have witnessed recently.
Okay, so in this way you can insert sound from the file. Fine. Now let us see the another way. Again click on insert and record audio. Now here I want to record the audio. Fine. Now this one is the play button, this one is the stop button, and this one is the record button. Now I want to record my own voice. For that, just click on record button. Good morning dear student. Hope you all are safe at home. Fine. Now just click on OK. Click on record. Good morning students. Now you can play. Click on record. Good morning students. Okay, in this way you can record your own voice. Fine. Now let us see how to insert video. Okay, now for inserting video, again click on insert tab. Under media group, click on video. Online video is there. For that you need internet connection. You can insert online video. Fine. And video on my PC. Now just select the video. Okay, and just click on insert button so that video get inserted. Okay, now here you can play the video. Okay, so in this way you can insert video to your slide. Fine. Now, how to insert pictures? Now there are two steps. By using the picture icon, just click on it and just select the picture you want to insert. Fine. Like this, you can increase or decrease the size. Even you can change the position wherever you want to place it. Okay. Now the next one way is again click on insert, click on pictures, okay, and click on insert. Fine. In this way you can insert pictures. Now next one topic is using action button. Now for that we will insert a new slide. Now click on insert tab. Under illustrations group, click on shape drop down arrow and select the action button. Okay, just drag it on slide. The action setting dialog box appear having two tabs, mouse click and mouse over. Okay, so just click on hyperlink to, suppose I want to hyperlink to first slide. Fine. And I want to previous slide. Okay. And want to give the sound. For that just click on it and give the sound. Suppose coin sound and click on OK. Fine. Now click on F5 button and just play the video. See, all these are the animations, transitions that we have given. This is the motion path. Okay, this is what inserting the pictures.
Good morning, student.
Okay, in this way you can insert your, when you click on this icon you will go to the previous slide. Okay, and that sound we can, whatever sound we have given, that sound will be played. Fine. So this is what the action button. Now let us see the last topic, that is importing data from Word. Now here first of all we have to open the Word file. Okay. Now just click on Word file. Take the blank document. Now click on View tab. Okay. Outline button in document view. Just type the given text. So just write down the name of water animals. Okay. air animals, eagle and pigeon. Okay, now click on close outline view. Here you have to click on close outline view. Fine, and return to the print layout view. Now select the types of animal. Here we have to select the types of animal to heading 1. Okay, select it and give heading 1. Now next one is the land animal, water animal and air animal. Okay, now land animal heading 2, water animal heading 2 and air animal heading 2. Fine. Now next one is the lion, horse, fish, octopus. All these comes under heading 3. Just select it and click on heading 3. Now click on Save As button. I want to save it on desktop and just give the name. Types of animal. Okay. Now close the MS Word file. Okay, and just open the PowerPoint, existing PowerPoint presentation. Now click on View tab. Select the slide sorter. Fine. Then click on New Slide drop down menu on the Home tab. On the Home tab, select Slides from Outline. Okay, select it. The Insert Outline dialog box appear. Okay, now just write down the name. We saved that file on desktop. Okay, it is the Word file. Fine. Types of animal, and just click on Insert. When you will get the types of animal list on separate slide. Okay, now let us see. Now let us give animations to all. Okay, this one I want to give for this. Now here I want to give the transition effect. Fine, this one, and I want to give the sound. Okay, now let us see the slideshow. Okay, in this way we can create our presentation. Okay, we can give animation, we can insert. See, this one is the land animal. Okay, this one is the water animal, and this one is the air animal. So this is what all about the PowerPoint presentation. Fine. Hope you all understand it. Okay. So have a nice day. Thank you.